Let's look at how Foundry Studio migrates an Oracle WebLogic virtual machine into a container for Red Hat OpenShift. First, we select a Red Hat Enterprise Linux VM disk image and initiate a system scan. Foundry automatically detects the installed applications. We select the applications to include and then start the automated packaging process. Next, the system generates a Dockerfile and builds the image. Once built, we push the container image directly to our OpenShift registry. Switching to the OpenShift console, we deploy the image from our internal stream, expose a public root, and map target port 7001. The topology view shows our pod running. Finally, we open the public URL to verify the WebLogic server is live. Your virtual machine is now a running container.